This is a video to show you how to make your data a little bit easier to read in Google Sheets. The first thing we can do is simply to center the data in the cells. So what I can do here with these numbers is just center it like that. Next, I can add a few headings. So I can move this up and make this a major header. And then I can add what each of these are. So this side is grade, this side is votes. And then I can center that. This is looking better. I can still continue to modify this, and I can select all and format and add alternating colors. So this will give me something like this. It'll add colors to every other line in my table and just makes it easier to read. What I can do further is I can do some conditional formatting where I select the data I want and select here. And now looking at the votes, I want to see which classes have 20 or more. So if I click formatting rules and click greater than or equal to and type in 20, click done, then that will highlight which grades have 20 or more votes. If I want this to be a different color, let's say light red. Okay, so then I can change the color. I can also make kind of a heat map. So if I select this data and select format, conditional formatting, and color scale, and click here, if I just use the default, what that will do is that will make the lowest number, the minimum value, the darkest color, which I think is a little bit backwards. So I'm going to click and I'm going to switch it around. And then that makes the max value the darker color. These are a few ways to make your data a little bit easier to read in Google Sheets.